While indigenous people in all regions of the world live on lands and territories that contain a great wealth of natural resources, they remain some of the most vulnerable people on the earth due to centuries of marginalization and discrimination. International legal norms, including those set out in the United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous People, provide the foundation for corporation, national government and international organizations to develop and implement policies and laws for the protection of indigenous peoples' human rights in relation to activities of industrial corporations. By resolution passed on 23 December 1994, the United Nations General Assembly decided that the International Day of World's Indigenous People shall be observed on 9th August every year. Tata Steel, the company known for its socially responsible, inclusive development initiatives, organized a befitting event to mark the observance of International Day for World's Indigenous People on 9th August 2013 at Indira Maidan adjacent to its Dubri plant site. This colorful ceremony was graced by noted tribal social activist and forerunner of tribal education in India, Padma Shri Tulsi Munda, who in her speech emphasized on global sustainability, which must build on foundations that are local, that reflect the views and needs of local communities, including those of indigenous people. This is why, as she opened, we seek to integrate culture at the heart of all development efforts, as a wellspring of identity and cohesion and a source of creativity and innovation. No society can flourish without culture. No development can be sustainable without it. Indigenous people know this better than most. As custodians to rich linguistic and cultural diversity, carrying unique knowledge of sustainable living and respect for biodiversity, Padma Shri Tulsi Munda opened in her deliberation. Addressing on this occasion, Mr. P.K. Patnaik, General Manager, Corporate Services of Odisha Project, said that we should strive to strengthen partnerships that will help preserve cultural vigor while facilitating poverty reduction, social inclusion and sustainable development. Attending the event, Mr. Viren Ramesh Bhutta, Chief Corporate Social Responsibility of Tata Steel, said that we must ensure the participation of indigenous people in decision making at all levels, including decisions on accelerating action towards achieving the Millennium Development Goals and defining the post-2015 development agenda.
निज अभिभाषण रे प्रकाश करथिले
आमर जो भाई भौणी आदिवासी भाई भौणी मानक प्रति सबले सजाग रहिछि तांकर उत्तरोत्तर उन्नति पाई तांकर संस्कृति को बंचाई रखिया पाई से संस्कृति सहित निजर संस्कृति को शामिल करिया पाई आमे सबले सदा तत्पर एवं आज टाटा स्टील रो ए छोट कार्यक्रम मध्य से दिगरे
कलिंग नगर में आए हुए हम लोग झारखंड से बहुत खुशी की बात है। और जो टाटा स्टील ट्राइबल कल्चर सोसाइटी एक संस्था है जो हमारे बहुत संस्कृति को बचाने के प्रयास में लगे हुए हैं और इस तरह के प्रोग्राम होना भी चाहिए। जैसे हमारे संस्कृति बहुत सारे आदिवासी संस्कृति है उसके बचाने का ही एक रास्ता है और टाटा स्टील इसमें पूरा प्रयास लगे हुए हैं।
Indigenous people have made clear that they want development that takes into account culture and identity and the right to define their own priorities. The cultural evening, comprising of enthralling performances like Ghumra, Ranpa, Saraikala, Chau and Twin Conch Symphony, kept the audience mesmerized.